every time you open Black Ops 6, you get the error "New update available," please update the gamer via launcher. And when you try to update it, there is no option to update. Then watch this tutorial to learn how to resolve this issue.
If you use Steam, right-click Call of Duty, select Properties, select Installed Files, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now wait for Call of Duty to be repaired. Now launch your game.
Open your Xbox app. Select Call of Duty. Click on the three dots. Select Manage. Open the Files tab. Select Verify and Repair. Choosing to verify and repair your files will reset Call of Duty Black Ops 6 to its original settings. You won't retain any mod files, and game saves that aren't backed up may also be lost. Do you want to continue? Press Yes. Now wait for Call of Duty Black Ops 6 to be scanned for errors. Now launch Call of Duty.